Well, here in the purport of chapter 19, verse 25, Prabhupada is speaking in very convincing and absolute terms, saying that in essence, material sense happiness and the pursuit of happiness through our material senses and body will never be successful. It will never work. It will always fall short and leave us discontent. By trying to satisfy our material senses, happiness will never be possible. Of course, we're not convinced, and we keep trying, and we keep failing, and we keep trying, and we keep failing, failing. We don't learn the point. We don't realize the fact. If one is not trained to satisfy the spiritual senses, the super senses, and continues in material sense gratification, he will never obtain happiness that is eternal and blissful. Tapo divyam puchakayena sattvam shudyed yasmad brahmasokyam tvanantam. One must practice austerity so that his existential position will be purified and he will achieve unlimited, blissful life. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, ki jai, ki jai, ki jai.